Hello, my name is Mark Sterling and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to do a quick review on this multifunction barbell racks and these fit grips that I got on Amazon right here. I'm gonna talk about this in a few minutes, but first I want to talk about the rack. Okay, so with this multifunction barbell rack, right? I got this on Amazon for about 68 bucks. With this multifunction barbell rack, you could do 3 different type of dips with it. I'm gonna show you real quick. So the first dip that you're gonna do is your regular dips, like so. That's your regular dips. And what this works is your pectoral muscles. So that's what this works. So that's one. The next type of dip I want to show you real quick is your tricep dips. So you just set up your bar, set up your rack, and you're just gonna go like so. This is your tricep dips. So this multifunction barbell rack is good for that. You know what I'm saying? So you just do your regular dips. Now the last one I want to show you is you're gonna raise your leg. You're gonna elevate your leg. Like you could use a chair, a bench, whatever stuff that you want to use. You're gonna put your leg up. And again, you're gonna do your regular dips again. This time is like deeper. It's more weight. It's more weight because your leg is up in the air. So it's more weight. So you just do your regular dips. And this works your tricep very good just by doing that. So that's 3 type of dips that you can do with this multifunction barbell rack right here. I got this on Amazon for about 7 months ago, and I got it for about like 168 bucks on Amazon. This machine is very good. It's sturdy. You can do squat with this machine. You can do curls. You can do bench with it. But that's not what we're here to talk about. What we're here to talk about is dips. But what I've noticed when I was doing the dips with this machine right here, these pads that come on the machine are not very comfortable. See, it's very thin. So what I did was I went to on Amazon and I got these fit grips right here. Let me show you real quick. I got these right here on Amazon. These was about so these was about 20-30 bucks. I don't remember the exact price. I'm gonna put it in the description below, so you can go check it out. And also I'm gonna put like a discount code so you can get 20% off of this. So if you buy the fit grips on the rack, or you could buy just only this or only the rack, the code still apply. So you're gonna get 20% off when you go to Amazon to purchase this product right here. So let me show you real quick. So this one comes with the machine. As you can see, it's not that very thick. You know, you could squish it around and your hand go around it very easily. You know, but the fit grips is very thick, as you could see. You know, and it has a good feel to it. It's very comfortable in your hands as you're doing the dips, as you could see here, versus this right here. This don't have a lot of grips to it. It's very uncomfortable when you're using this, but the fit grips is very comfortable. So I recommend you getting the fit grips with this machine right here as you're doing your dips with it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how this works real quick. So with the old one that comes with the machine, they just pop off wheels. You just slide it off, and you're gonna install your fit grips. They slide on very easily, just like that, very easily. And you just do your regular dips. Very comfortable, very comfortable. I could open my hands and still do dips with it. See? That's how comfortable these are right here. On Amazon right now, because of this COVID-19 virus that's going around, these multifunction barbell machine are not there. They go up and down in price. I was looking on Amazon. I see one here for $89, and they go all the way up to like 240 bucks on Amazon. So you're gonna shop. You could shop around a bit. I'm gonna give you the lowest price to the highest price on Amazon, and you just pick whatever one you want. But also I'm gonna give you the discount code. You get 20% off if you purchase from the link down below. Okay, so that's my video right there, and thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments about anything that I'm doing, if you wanna see me review like any other exercise equipment, just send me a text in the comment section below, and I respond to you. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.